To make a call, pick up the handset or press the speaker button. Next, dial the extension or number you would like to call. Then, press the call button. Once the remote party answers, let the conversation ensue. To place an active call on hold, press the hold button on the phone. To resume the call, press the resume button on the phone. To complete a blind transfer, press the transfer button on the phone. This will put the existing caller on hold and provide you with a dial pad to dial the next party. Once you finish dialing the number, press the call button to call the next party. When the call connects and starts to ring, press the transfer button again to complete the blind transfer. To complete an assisted transfer, press the transfer button on the phone. This will put the existing caller on hold and provide you with a dial pad to dial the next party. Enter the phone number you wish to call, then press the call button. Once the person answers, you can have a private conversation with them. Once they are ready to accept the transfer, press the transfer button to complete the transfer. If the need arises that you need to transfer a caller to a person's voicemail, press the transfer button, then dial *55 and the party's extension number. Press the call button. Then, press transfer to complete the transfer. To perform a conference call when you already have a caller on the line, press the conference button. Dial the second party's number, then press the conference button. When the second party answers the phone, you can have a private conversation with them. When you are ready to start the conference call, press Conference to join all of the participants together. You can repeat this process to add additional participants to the call. While on the conference call, you have the ability to mute, place on hold, or disconnect any participant on the call by pressing the icons on the screen or by using the Manage button to see the options. To end the conference call, just hang up. Once you disconnect from the conference call, all participants will be disconnected. When you have a message, in the top right corner of your phone will be a red light. To access your voicemail, press the message button or dial *36. Next, enter your PIN code followed by the # key. The first time you access voicemail, your default PIN will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you enter this, it will prompt you to enter in a new PIN code. Your new PIN will need to be at least 4 digits or longer. When you enter the voicemail, if you have new messages, it will ask you to press 1 to listen to your messages or press 8 for personal options. When you press 1 to listen to your messages, after listening to a message, it will prompt you with the following options. To skip the message, press 1. To save the message, press 2. To erase the message, press 3. To repeat the message, press 9. Or press 0 to exit. If you press 8 for personal options, you will be provided with the following options. To change your PIN, press 1. To personalize your greeting, press 2. To record your name, press 3.